Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that the battery percentage is not showing on your phone OPPO Reno 14. So actually it's a very common issue on this OPPO. I've had the same issue recently, so that I'm doing a tutorial for you. So at first we have to go to the settings and scroll down to the for example display here. This option should be here if you scroll a little bit down, but it's not, so you have to go back and scroll down to the battery. In the battery it should be here. Now here you should find somewhere the option, like as you can see here, show battery level in the status bar. Tap that, and now as you can see we can modify that. Battery percentage, you can tap that. Here we have inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, or do not show. I had do not show turned on, so tap it there. This option there, or this option, and this worked for me. But if it didn't work for you, you have to go to the Play Store and install some third-party application, because there is no fix for that actually. It's only a software bug that should be fixed by OPPO. And here now you have to download the application called the AccuBattery. And actually that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!